If you don't see incoming calls from WhatsApp on the Redmi A7 Pro, here's what you can try to do to fix this issue. So first we're gonna open settings and you want to proceed to sound and vibration. And then in here you want to check if do not disturb mode is not activated. If it is, then you might not see incoming calls, they might not display on your phone, so you want to make sure that it is off. Besides that, if that is not the reason why you don't see incoming calls, another thing that you can do is you can go to apps in settings. Now in here, once you see apps, you want to go to WhatsApp. So let's scroll down and go to WhatsApp over here. Now what you can do is you can go to permissions and you want to make sure that all necessary permissions are granted. So you can, in my case they are not, so I can just allow call logs to be used by the app. I can also allow the camera usage. There we go. I'm gonna also include contacts. Location is not really necessary, but I'm gonna include microphone, music and audio. There we go. Nearby devices. Notifications, for sure, they have to be enabled, so make sure that they are on. And also in here, make sure that, let's say, lock screen notifications are enabled, and the sound and vibration are enabled, or at least the sound, of course. And then also in here, we should be able to find message notifications, for example, so make sure that they are enabled. And here in chats, just make sure that it is enabled in here as well. And besides that, let's go to phone. We want to grant the access as well. Photos and videos, and SMS. There we go. So pretty much everything. Location is not really necessary, although we can grant the access to location as well if you want to. Now, if still you cannot see incoming calls, what you can do is you can clear the data. So if you tap clear data in here in the bottom right corner, you have the option to clear cache. So this is the first thing that you can do. You can just clear cache. And if that doesn't help, you can clear all data. So if you go to manage space, most likely you are going to be redirected to WhatsApp settings, where you can clear all data. And if you do clear all the data, then you will be locked out of your account. So make sure that you have the option to sign back into your account, because otherwise you might lose access to your stuff. Also, you might want to make a backup of your chats and conversations so they will not disappear after clearing everything. And you will be able to restore them. And if that doesn't help as well, what you can do is you can completely uninstall the app and then install it once again and then set it up again. You will have to, of course, just like before, sign into your account, but a fresh installation of the app might be actually quite helpful. Also, remember to simply restart or reboot your phone, just in case. Sometimes that simple thing can be quite helpful and solves some issues. Leave a like and subscribe.